Huawei Mate 10 Lite is a mid-range phone sold across the globe, but not in the United States, as the more affordable sibling to the high-end Mate 10 series. The phone features a 2:1 screen, one that's taller than traditional 16:9 screens we used to see on virtually every new phone until about last year. It is built of solid metal and it runs on Huawei's own Emotion UI interface on top of Android 7.0 Nougat. The Mate 10 Lite also has a dual camera system on both the front and the back, with a 2-megapixel secondary camera on both sides that allows shooting photos with a blurred background, an effect that resembles the look you get with a dedicated DSLR camera. We spent a few days using the Mate 10 Lite to find out how good of a phone it really is. Read on for our experience with Huawei's new mid-ranger. The first thing to notice about the Huawei Mate 10 Lite is that it really does not feel as big as you would expect a 5.9-inch phone to be. In fact, its physical size is about the same as that of the OnePlus 5, a phone with a 5.5-inch screen, but with the traditional 16:9 aspect ratio. Huawei achieved this by putting a taller, 2:1 display on the Mate 10 Lite, more on it later. This is still not a phone that you can conveniently operate with one hand, of course, but it is manageably big. The Mate 10 Lite is built of aluminum and feels sturdy, substantial, and made to last. It is slightly curved around its sides, very much like an iPhone 6/7/8, and its back is flat. The physical volume and power buttons are all on the right and feel nice and clicky. On the back you have a fingerprint scanner. It unlocks the phone with just a tap even from standby, as it should, and it is impressively fast. Interesting fact, Huawei was the pioneer of this one-tap fingerprint login feature. Right above the fingerprint reader you have the dual main camera system. Its position is a bit too close to the finger sensor, and you may often hit the lower camera, accidentally smudging it when trying to unlock the phone. It's not a big deal, but it is one little detail that does not feel completely right. The dual camera system itself sticks out quite a bit, but it is perfectly centered, and you can lay the phone on its back without it wiggling. Unfortunately, there is no waterproofing on the Mate 10 Lite, so be careful not to get it wet.